Hey y'all, it's a quick update time. We've got, as you can see, we've got, let me give you a little angle here. We've got about 15 layers worked up. And they don't need to be perfect because once we brush it with resin and it hardens up, we're going to take the 90 grinder here and we're going to doctor it up into the shape we want. So we kept this radius, right, the outside corner radius. But we didn't bother to, we're going to have to give it some draft, obviously. It's going to have to be angled just a little bit, so we can pull the part off when we're done. But you're starting to get an idea of what's going on here, right? We'll put a couple little vertical pieces up in here just so it'll catch the clay. But that's what we'll do now. We'll take all these pieces. We've already made one for the other side. And we'll go ahead one by one and just copy them. And cut them out, and obviously it'll be a bit quicker now. Glue them all together, glue them all down, and then we'll brush some resin, and a hot batch of resin, so because we need to be able to get this thing goobed up, ground it down into shape, and hopefully before it gets too late tonight, get clay on it. So tomorrow, all we got to do is spray some PVA. Or maybe we go in a different route. Maybe we don't use the clay. Maybe we just cover it with some Bondo or something, and then put masking tape over it. Because then then spray the green seal or brush the green seal on. Because the fiberglass will release from masking tape, even with some mold release wax on it without the green seal or the part all. So I don't know. We'll see. We're running out of time. It's already almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesday. Chuck's seeing a 80-pound bag of concrete only did 2.5 710s, baby. So he was thinking maybe we should have been doing 550s instead. Yeah, that concrete is out there making a young man out of him all over again, isn't it, Chuck? Oh boy, he says. So there you go. That's our quick update for now. I'm going to go ahead and transfer these all over, make the left-hand side, and then go ahead and glue everything down, and we'll bring you some more as we have something to show you. That's it. God bless everybody out there. Take care of yourselves. Hope you all are having fun and learning something here. I know I'm having fun. We'll talk to you later.